Good morning, my dear students. I hope that you all will be fine and you have enjoyed your festivals very nicely. You enjoyed Diwali, Bhaiya Dooj, and even Children's Day also. So, now again, welcome back to the studies, because with the entertainment, our study is also most important. So, let's start our today's class. Today we will talk about some safety, how we can save ourselves from coronavirus. We should always wash our hands for at least 20 seconds, and if we are sneezing or if we are coughing, we should cover our mouth, and we should disinfect surfaces around our home and work. And if you are sick, we should not go out, we should stay at home. So these are the safety rules that we should follow. These will help to prevent the spread of COVID-19. So after this information, let's come back to the studies. As you already know that chapter 5 is already started and 5.2 we have completed. Today we will do exercise 5.3 and 5.4. In exercise 5.3 we have some division facts. You already know that division is a repeated subtraction, and today we will discuss about division facts. What are the facts that we should know while dividing? So before starting our work, we should always mention date, chapter number, and whatever we are doing that, and class work. So today we will discuss about 3 division facts. The first division fact says that if a number is divided by itself, it will give the quotient as 1. Means if two numbers are same, suppose if I am dividing 4 by 4, 4 divided by 4, both numbers are same, so its answer, its quotient we will get 1. And 9 divided by 9, its answer will be 1. 12 divided by 12 is 1. Means it says that if two numbers are same, if we are dividing 12 by 12, both numbers are same, then its answer, its quotient will be 1. And second fact of division, it says that if a number divided by 1, it gives the same number. Means if I will divide 8 by 1, here 8 is dividend, 1 is divisor, and 8 it will be quotient. If I will divide 8 by 1, then its answer, it will give the same number. Same number means whatever the dividend is. And 10 divided by 1, again answer will be 10. And 6 divided by 1, its answer will be 6. And third fact says that 0 is divided by a number gives the quotient 0. If we will divide any number by 0, then answer will be 0. 0 divided by 5 is 0. And 0 divided by 8 is 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. So its property says that if any number is divided by 0, if 0 is divided by a number, it gives the quotient 0. Okay, so these are the 3 properties, 3 facts about division that you should learn and you should keep in your mind, so that whenever you will divide, you will start the work, it will be easy for you. Okay, and the next we are going to start, that is in the next exercise 5.4. in that division and multiplication, they are very close to each other. Here if I will write 3 multiplied by 5 means it is a multiplication process. How it is a multiplication process? Because we are multiplying these two digits and the answer that we will get, that will be the product. 3 multiplied by 5, answer will be 15. So what is 15? 15 is product of these two numbers, these two factors 3 and 5. So as you know that division and multiplication, they are very close to each other. So answer says that a multiplication of two different numbers gives two division fact. Multiplication, it has two division facts. How? First of all, we will see the numbers are same or two numbers are different. 3 multiplied by 5. Here 3 is a different number and 5 is a different number. So 3 multiplied by 5, answer will be 15. It is a multiplication fact, but each multiplication fact with two different numbers has two different division facts. Here we will take the product 15 divided by, first I will take this factor 3, so the answer will be 5. But next time if I will take 15 and I will take this factor 5, so answer will be 3. So these two are division facts for the multiplication fact. But the condition says that if two numbers are different, then we will have two division facts. Here we will take one more example. Suppose 2 multiplied by 5, the product will be 10. Answer is 10. Here you can see we are having two different numbers. One is 2 and the other is 5. And if I will write division fact for these, so here I will take 10 divided by, so first I will take 2, this factor. 10 divided by 2, answer will be 5. And next time 10 divided by, this time I will take 5 because 2 I have already taken. So 10 divided by 5, answer will be 2. You can see that this multiplication fact with two different numbers, I got two division facts. So next is, if the multiplication with same numbers, if the numbers are same, then we will have only one division fact. Like 4 multiplied by 4, these two digits are same and its product is 16. If I will take 16 and I will take first factor, it is 4. If I will take second factor also, that is also 4. So multiplication with two same numbers, then we should have only one division fact. So we will take one more example for this. I will say 5 multiply by 5, answer is 25. It is a multiplication fact. But if I will write division fact, so 25, I will put the symbol of division and 25 divided by 5, answer will be 5. We will have only one division fact. Why? Because these two multiplication numbers are same. Isn't it easy? It's very easy. Again I am repeating this. If multiplication of two numbers are different, then we will have two division facts, but the multiplication numbers are same, then we should have only one division fact. So try to solve exercise 5.3 and 5.4 in your books only. Okay, and complete your work. Firstly you will try to solve in rough notebook and then you will complete in your books. Okay, and if you will face any problem, then tomorrow we will have online class, in that I will solve. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.